Is it time to buy or sell Cyngn stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Cyngn. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Cyngn as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.05. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a decline of 31.18%. This results in an average loss of 1.08% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 11% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 62% to an increase of 134%. In a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of around 64%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from a complete loss to a gain of over 2,744% in the coming year. In today's terms, this means the future price could fall anywhere between $0 and $160.70. Our latest daily update for Cyngn includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Cyngn Inc. Stock Price on Friday, moving between $5.07 and $5.68. The Cyngn Inc. stock price gained 10.78% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 5th of September 2025, rising from $5.10 to $5.65. During that day, the stock fluctuated 12.03%, reaching a low of $5.07 and a high of $5.68. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 4.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 101,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 270,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $1,530,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $1,312.49, while the lowest price was $3.62. Currently, the price is 99.57%, or $1,306.84, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $135,129.83, below the all-time high on the 25th of October, 2021, when the price reached $135,135.48. Cyngn, ticker CYN, is accumulating significant operational and financial milestones that could influence the stock in the near term and reshape its outlook in the long run. In late August, the company secured its 23rd U.S. patent for a modular sensor system, enhancing its intellectual property surrounding its autonomous vehicle technology. That same week, Natalie Russell was promoted to Chief Financial Officer, and the company announced a complete operational deployment of a drive mod tugger at Coates, which the company claims unlocks more than 500 labor hours, a clear sign of commercial traction. Earlier results from August indicated a remarkable revenue increase of 289% in the quarter, and Cyngn successfully closed financings totaling approximately $32 million this summer, including a $17.2 million registered direct offering. This funding is intended to extend its runway through the year 2027 and support a move to larger facilities in Mountain View. Additionally, the company is pursuing SOC 2 and ISO 27001 certification to bolster its enterprise sales efforts. In the short term, the revenue beat, deployments, and patent announcements could enhance sentiment and elevate the share price, although the financings and potential dilution may temper the upside. Looking ahead, Sustained customer rollouts, strengthened intellectual property, and enterprise-level security measures could foster enduring revenue growth and expansion of multiples, provided that execution and profit margins remain stable. However, execution risks and competitive pressures continue to pose significant challenges. Analysts have assigned Cyngn stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Cyngn. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these could influence the near-term development of the stock. The stock of Cyngn Inc. currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, though, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this reflects a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $6.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $5.51. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 65.4%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested the sell signal 49 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 221 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal just 2 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 27 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has recently shown a buy signal 8 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cyngn. Cyngn Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.64, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 610 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 12.03%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.06%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Cyngn, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 5th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -$1. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Cyngn. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Cyngn is at $6.12. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Cyngn encounters its first support level at $5.64. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for Cyngn from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 6th of May, 2025, when Petritus Martin Stephen conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Cyngn stock a good buy? Cyngn Incorporated holds several negative signals, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we expect Cyngn to open lower by 183/100ths of a dollar and start trading at $5.47. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.